Kung chocolate lover din kayo kagaya ko, di isa to sa dapat nyong itry dito sa Bangkok. So nandito kami ngayon sa Orange Building para itry itong pinaka-viral chocolate cafe ngayon, ang Choco Project here in Talatnoy. Located yung shop nila sa 4th floor. Alam kong viral sila pero honestly, hindi ko na-expect yung dami ng tao. After around 5 minutes of waiting, nakakuha rin kami ng table. Marami akong gustong itry sa menu nila pero medyo worried lang ako na baka hindi namin maubos. So tinanong ko muna kung pwede bang i-take out just in case.
รับอะไรดีคะ
เอาอะไรครับ
เอาสองอันเนี้ยไม่ทราบว่าจะสามารถกลับบ้านได้ไหมครับถ้ากินไม่หมด
ได้ค่ะ
แล้วก็เป็นช็อกโกนัมเบอร์3
Nag-start ako sa number 3 chocolate drink nila. Masarap siya, don't get me wrong. Pero I was expecting na mas intense yung chocolate flavor niya since number 3 nga siya. Next, tinikman namin yung signature nila na tiramisu bowl. It looks good and it reminds me of choco butternut ng Dunkin. Disappointed nga lang ako after ko siyang matikman. Kasi for something called tiramisu, hindi ko talaga nalasahan yung tiramisu flavor. Para lang siyang brownie na solid yung texture, na may konting coffee smell. I think mas better pa sana if choco balls na lang yung name niya instead of tiramisu ball. Anyway, move on tayo sa bestseller nila, yung Three Musketeers. Meron itong creamy caramel chocolate cake, chocolate banana pudding, and strawberry chocolate tiramisu. Each one is 100 grams. And the whole set costs 390 baht. Medyo pricey siya for 2 people. Pero honestly, good siya for sharing ng 3 to 5 people. After trying all 3, I would say fave ko yung caramel dahil rich yung flavor. Second naman is yung strawberry dahil bright and sour yung flavor niya thanks to strawberry sauce. And last is yung chocolate banana. Overall, masarap yung 3 Musketeers nila. And I'll definitely come back to try yung classic tiramisu nila next time. Oh by the way, last day nila today dito sa Talatnoy. Pero I'm sure babalik sila for volume 7. Hindi ko nga lang sure kung saan yung next location.